There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy.
We are at the stunning Batemans Bay here, going to cook up a little feast before we head out for a drive to see the beautiful scenery. I've got a locally caught mussel dish. These are caught only 2 hours away from here at Eden. We're going to be cooking some grilled mussels with chorizo and risoni. So to get these mussels ready for the barbecue, all I've done is just run them under cold running water, gave them a quick little clean and pulled their beards out. So all that you need to do is grab firmly onto the beard in one hand, mussel in the other, and then rip that bad boy out. Next, we have preheated our barbecue for about 10 minutes. We've got the casserole dish on there. I've just turned it down to a medium-high heat. First, we're going to get our sauce started. So I'm going to give a good drizzle of olive oil straight into the pan. And then next we can go in with one whole chopped onion, just finely chopped, add that in. And 2 chorizos roughly chopped. Now I did have a classic Laura Klutz moment and trip, and we are only down to 1 sausage now, but I'm just going to make the most of it and add that in anyways. Give that a quick stir and then we can leave that to cook for about 4 minutes until it's caramelized. In we go with our garlic and a cup of risoni. Now we can just leave this to toast for about 2 minutes. We want that garlic to just cook through and that risoni to soak up all those wonderful flavors. Now that the risoni has just toasted, I'm going to go in with 2 tins of finely chopped tomato, add that straight in, and 1.5 cups of white wine. If you don't have any white wine, you can simply use some chicken stock, works just as well. And then a generous season of salt and pepper. Now stir that all together, and then we can add our casserole dish lid on and let it cook for about 10 minutes. That's all it's going to take for this pasta to cook through. In a couple minutes time though, we're going to add our mussels straight onto the cooking grill. Risoni is a fantastic staple ingredient to have when you're cooking in the outdoors. It is such a hearty, boosting ingredient that you can add in. It only takes about 10 minutes to cook through. What's even better is you can just add it straight into your dish. There's no need to pre-cook it and then drain it, just add it straight in. Now we can go on with our mussels. I'm just going to add them straight to the cooking grill. They're only going to take about 6 to 8 minutes. You really just want to cook them until they've opened up. And cooking them on the cooking grill means they'll get all those wonderful flavors from the barbecue. Now that they're all on there, we can close the lid and leave them for about 6 minutes. We'll come back and check them. Our mussels have opened up and are looking wonderful. I'm going to take them off the barbecue, and then as soon as our risoni is cooked through, I'm going to stir the mussels through. It does look like a little bit of a mess doing this, but that wonderful tomato is going to meld together with those beautiful grilled mussel flavors. It is going to be divine. All that we need is a delicious chilled glass of wine. Mussels are ready to come off the barbecue. I'm going to pop the lid on to keep them warm. And now I am going to double up the carbs and toast some delicious crusty bread and grill some lemon to serve with it. The bread is beautifully toasted. Look at those grill marks, and that lemon is ready to come off. Now all that we need to do is garnish these mussels with some finely chopped parsley and then drizzle with that caramelized lemon. This is all ready to serve up. Get a nice big spoonful of that risoni and of course a generous amount of those mussels. Give it a little extra squeeze of lemon and that toasty bread. And a little extra parsley to finish. This is cooking and eating in the great outdoors at its finest. Perfect dish if you've got a lot of family around or you've invited the next door neighbours over for a quick feed. All I need is a glass of wine and to watch the sunset.